Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Lucy, today I have a good problem.
A good problem? Tell me.
I finished a small task and now I want to tell someone, but I only know I am happy.
That is a useful topic. Today we learn simple English for feeling proud after a small win.
Small win sounds nice. Not a giant win, just one normal human win.
Exactly. Start with this sentence. I am proud of myself.
I am proud for myself.
Good try. Use proud of, not proud for. I am proud of myself.
I am proud of myself.
This means you feel good because you did something well.
Can I say I am proud of you?
Yes, I am proud of you means another person did something well. I am proud of you.
I am proud of you.
Here is the contrast. I am proud of myself is about me. I am proud of you is about another person.
Good. Today I need myself. I cleaned my email inbox.
That is a real small win. Say what you finished.
I finished my email inbox.
Because it is done now, use finished. I finished my email inbox.
I finished my email inbox.
Nice. You can also say by myself if you did it without help. I finished it by myself.
I finished it by myself. That sounds like I am a strong office person.
A strong office person with fewer emails.
That is my new dream.
Now add how hard it was. It was not easy, but I did it.
It was not easy, but I do it.
Use did because the action is finished. It was not easy, but I did it.
It was not easy, but I did it.
That sentence is useful because it shows effort.
I like that. It sounds honest, not too big.
Exactly. Now, if someone asks how you feel, you can answer simply. I feel pretty good.
I feel pretty good.
Pretty here means somewhat or quite. It is friendly and not too strong.
So pretty good is not about a beautiful good.
Right? It just means you feel good.
Oh, so pretty good is about my feeling, not about looking beautiful. I understand now.
Good. Let us keep the meaning simple. Now let us build a real conversation.
Okay, you are my friend. I will brag politely.
Small brag, clear English. Go.
I finished my email inbox today.
Really? Nice work.
Thanks. It was not easy, but I did it.
You should feel proud of yourself.
I do. I feel pretty good.
That sounded natural.
And I did not say I am the king of email.
Correct. Very wise. Here is one new useful sentence for a natural ending. I still have more to do, but this is a good start.
I still have more to do, but this is a good start.
This helps when the job is not completely finished, but one part is done.
That is my life. Many things are not finished, but one thing is done.
Now listen to one natural version.
I finished my email inbox today.
Nice work. How do you feel?
I feel pretty good. It was not easy, but I did it.
You should be proud of yourself.
Thanks. I still have more to do, but this is a good start.
Notice the new sentence, I still have more to do, but this is a good start. It sounds honest and calm.
It says, I am not done with life, but I am moving.
Yes. Now let us practice out loud. Benji. This is for you and for everyone listening. Practice together with us.
I am proud of myself. I finished it by myself. It was not easy, but I did it.
Good. Now let us switch. Everyone listening, choose your small win. You can say I finished my homework. Or I cleaned my desk.
I finished my blank.
Nice. Now add your feeling. You can say I feel pretty good. Or I am proud of myself.
I feel blank.
Today we practice simple English for a small win.
I can say I am proud of myself.
You can say what you finished. I finished it by myself.
And I can be honest. It was not easy, but I did it.
Exactly. So before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What is one small thing you finished recently? Homework, cleaning, exercise, email, or something else?
Write one sentence in the comments. We would love to read them and cheer for you.
Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.